good, ladies? It's Wavy Spice here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, definitely stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter so you can keep up with all of my styles and looks. So today's video is going to be about how I got this poppin' sleek ponytail for really cheap. I got this ponytail at my local beauty supply store and it is by Sensational, the instant pony. And it's the style Ocean Wave 30 and it costs $16.99. So I just thought this was a really cute steal, and I've been really into ponytails lately. Also wanted to let you guys know in this video my hair is straightened. Also, if you guys are interested in my makeup and what I was wearing today, then I am gonna upload a video on that. It should be going up after this video, so definitely be on the lookout for that. So I think that's really about it, ladies. Let's just get right into the video. Deuces.